Hi, I'm Yuktha. I go to Doherty Valley High School and I'm a rising senior. And this is my project. It's a sound reactive paper lanterns, and I chose this because I love music and lights in general. So this is my milestone 3, which was all about making my lights actually reactive to sound. So this process was mainly on the software side, and it included downloading like dependencies such as Homebrew and pip on my on my terminal on my computer, and as well as downloading a software called LEDFX. LEDFX is the software that actually makes the lights sound reactive. As I mentioned in the previous milestones, I use WLED, which is a software that can change like the colors and like actually customize like the lights. But this software LEDFX, the difference is it actually it actually programs the lights to be reactive to sound. So the downloading process took me a while because I needed to download, like I mentioned, like dependencies such as Homebrew, Python 3. At least Python 3.9, and pip installed. Pip install is a virtual environment, and it allows me to like install packages and repositories. So I ran these applications on the command terminal, and once I was able to open the like LEDFX app, I was able to like connect my like WLED software and my Feather to my computer on LEDFX software. So let me show you how like the LEDFX software looks like currently. Okay, so this is how it looks right now. This is like the kind of the home page of LEDFX. My device is called Spheres, so I like customized it and I connected it to this my device specifically. And there's multiple settings, such as like the effect type, and there's like a ton of settings you can play around with to actually make it sound reactive. You want to do like the BPM, which is like beats per minute, and yeah. So a little demo is if when I turn on my lights, it's already connected right now, but as you can see, it's kind of lighting up like at different timings. So to make it sound reactive, like I'm talking right now, so that's why it's lighting up as I talk. But if I clap, like it's lighting up like right after I clap, basically. So that's how it sound reactive. When I play music as well, it'll also like it'll also hear the beats of like the main bass and the beats of the song, and it'll also react that way. So there's multiple like colors and like color settings. So for example, if I do like mainly blues, or I can like it'll only like show kind of like shades of blue, basically. Or I can do like a red and blue kind of variation. So that will also just do like red and blue, or like blue. I can also like customize like what kind of colors I want, and things like that. Yeah. So a few challenges in my milestone 3 was basically I had a lot of difficulty like downloading the software and downloading actually like LEDFX onto it. I had a lot of software like downloading all the dependencies, Python 3.9, and once I downloaded everything, once I actually got the LEDFX website to run, like the app to run on my computer, it wasn't actually reacting to sound. Like I could clearly tell like it was not following what I was saying. So I was really confused because usually like it's supposed to react to sound, but in my case it wasn't. So I did some research on it, and when I went through the LEDFX website, went through like WLED, restarted everything, and I noticed that there was a couple of files that were actually unnecessary, and that was the one that was the problem. So there was a couple of files like that was accidentally downloaded through LEDFX. So once I deleted those, restarted my computer, restarted everything, downloaded like everything once again, it was able to work. Yeah. So what's next is, since I'm done like the main part of the project, I have to focus on modifications now. So I have a couple of modifications in mind. For example, I want to somehow make it like make my light reactive to like a voice command. So I'm working with like some kind of home assistant, and I am like kind of using voice command again to like power on my lights and everything. Another one is to, for convenience like purposes, I'm trying to make it battery powered. So instead of like having to connect to like a power source and like my laptop and everything, I wanted to make it more convenient. So I'm trying to make it battery powered, maybe even reflective, and somehow like of in a visually aspect, like in a visual aspect, I want to make it like more aesthetic in a way. Yeah. Thank you so much.